Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create passport size photo using Photoshop application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my Photoshop application and I'm going to choose a photo. I want to create passport size photo. For example, I'm going to choose this photo guys. I'm going to create passport size photo using this photo. Okay. And after that we can change the background color of this photo. We can go to the background section right here, just click on the background and I'm going to choose white background, which is usually used for the passport size photo. I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to change the ratio. I'm going to click on crop and then I'm going to choose this ratio, that's 3:4 ratio. Okay, I'm gonna click on it and then this is the final result guys. Once you're ready to save your photo, you just need to click on the save button and then the passport size photo will be saved to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create passport size photo in Photoshop application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.